So we're here back again with Ashley Basketball, man.
Ashley Basketball.
What have you just done?
I just did the basketball.
No. He's just been drafted for the NBA. He's going to be an NBA
shit,
star.
I've been drafted for the NBA.
Yeah, and now he's going to do a dunk for us.
Thanks
do a dunk.
me.
Okay, I'll go up here.
This is from all my MB brothers. My injury.
No, you've broken your leg.
Fuck, my injury.
Fuck, you've ruined your leg.
I broke my leg. Oh.
How are you going to use this leg for basketball in the NBA?
I've got a serious injury.
Oh, no.
Oh.
So your injury is bad?
Look at my leg, man.
Shit, that is... that's not good. How are you going to play in the NBA now?
I can't because I've got a serious injury.
That's so sad.
That is so sad, man. What do I do?
I don't know what you do, man.
I wish I had a magic fridge right now.
What would you do with the magic fridge?
Can't.
Damn. You should... Have you ever considered legally changing your name?
Like, sometimes.
Ashley just feels too NBA. I think you should change it to John.
Yeah. John.
So we're back here with Ashley Basketball, whose arm...
It's John Basketball.
John. We're here with John Basketball now, whose leg...
It's my comeback. It's my comeback era.
In his comeback, his leg is miraculously healed, and he's back in the NBA under the new alias of John Basketball.
John Basketball.
You wanna show us a dunk?
I'll show you a dunk.
Show us a dunk. I'll get by over here to get a good shot. You ready?
This is me coming back to the NBA. My brain!
Oh fuck! You hit your head.
My brain!
What are you gonna do?
I have a serious injury.
What are you gonna do?
I have to retire.
Fuck!
Colin. You alright? Cheers, mate. Hello.
You're right, John.
Alright, Tony.
I've just seen you post on Facebook, mate. I'm just wondering what's all that about. The fridge... No, John, your fridge can't be magic, mate.
The fridge is real. No. What I put on Facebook, yeah, was I've got a fridge that makes Carlin, and that's what it is, you know? Facebook can't lie. Well, let's Google it.
Mate, this is exactly like the fucking turtle incident. No, John, a turtle did not break into your house and steal your things, mate. It didn't happen, alright?
Tony, it's not like the turtle, Tony. Tortoise, where the fuck it is, tortoise? I don't care, Tony. It's not like that, Tony. No, it's not on. Come down here. I'll show you the fucking fridge myself.
Drop the fridge shit, mate. No, I don't want to come down there, John. I don't want to, mate. because I don't need this shit right now, mate. I've got a lot going on, right? I've got work in about an hour, right? So please, mate, just drop it or I'm going to have to call someone, alright? I'm sorry. I'll see you later, John.
Fucking Tony, call you fucking delusional. I'm not delusional. He can come round and say the fridge if he wants to. You're fucking Colin. Cheers, mate. I'm not delusional. Bloody dog. What's this? Tony's fucking his bullshit.